Hey guys, check out our Brodrick home in Huffington, which is actually in Willow Springs in Wake County. This home is a master down. It's 3,200 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2-car garage, with a huge open floor plan, nice butler's pantry with a walk-in pantry there. We've done some amazing upgrades to this home, including the gourmet kitchen, which you can see, which has a canopy hood, and then this lovely lanai, which is a patio in the back. This home has his and hers walk-in closets off the master with an amazing luxury shower here with a bench, full tile, and a rain head. The cabinet vanity behind me is a makeup vanity in the middle. And here we have a loft upstairs, featuring a bedroom upstairs as well with a walk-in closet and its own bathroom. This home is priced at $579,900 and move-in ready.